Hey guys, my name's Jamin. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your keyboard in an HP 15F series laptop. The exact model number that I'm using will be below in the description. However, this should help you with this procedure in any 15F series computer. So first thing you want to do, guys, power down the computer, unplug your charger. It's always good to get power out of a computer before you do anything to it, even something as simple as this procedure. Also, flip your computer over and we're going to remove your battery because it's an easily removable battery. So it's another good safety precaution before doing anything with the computer. These two tabs right here, put your thumbs on them, press down, and then slide them towards each other, and that'll release your battery. Don't pay attention to the arrows here, guys. I use that for a different video. But to get your keyboard out, what I'm going to have you do is take a small flat pry tool and go across the top of your keyboard right here toward the bottom of your screen. Small flat pry tool, go across the top and gently pry it up, snap it up a little at a time all the way across, and your keyboard will release. It's not actually screwed down, it's just held in by these snaps. After that, the only way that it'll be connected to the computer is through this ribbon cable connection right here. When messing with this, guys, be very careful. This black clip is very fragile, and if it breaks, you're going to be hard pressed to find a replacement. So make sure you don't break it. The way this port is designed, it's a white port on the motherboard and a black clip on top of it. That black clip folds up and down kind of like a book cover, and it folds down and shuts to secure the ribbon cable in place, and it pops up and open to release the ribbon cable. So take your pry tool, slide it up under the black clip very carefully, gently pry it open, and then you can slide the ribbon cable out. But that's how you would access your keyboard. Again, it's not screwed down. It's kind of easy to access. So I hope this quick little tutorial helped you get that thing out. If you have any questions, let me know. Check out the FAQs below in the description. If you have a question, it could save you some time waiting for an answer. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you next time. And I'll end the video now with a quick shout out to my affiliate partner, a great place to get games, Humble Bundle. At Humble, guys, you can get the latest games at great prices. They also have great ways to save when you're buying. You can bundle your games together in a purchase instead of buying them one at a time. You can also join Humble Choice, which is a monthly subscription service that gets you free games every month. And you can also feel good about your purchases because Humble has donated a ton of money to charity. And every time you pay your Humble Choice membership, every time you use my link, charity gets more. So it's a great website, guys, great place to get games. Check it out with the link above. I'll also have the link below in my description.